Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer data from iPhone to iPhone by using the Airdrop. So if you don't want to use the iPhone cloud and just transfer these files by your Apple account, you can do it by the Airdrop. And if you want to send the photos, of course you need to open the gallery and now just select the selected photos. You can select all the album like a screenshot. You can see there we have 4000 screenshots. So now just tap on the select and click select all. You can select, of course, just the selected photos. Click on the share icon and choose Airdrop. Tap on the device and that's it. This is way how you can send the photos. Okay, the next one, the files. If you want to send the files like documents, for example, just click on the three dot icon and select your documents. After that, exactly same like before, click on the share icon and choose Airdrop. And that's it. You can do it with all the files type. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.